Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try olive green striped shirt with blue jeans and olive green sneakers. Next you can try black polo t-shirt with grey jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try tan shirt with white pants. Next you can try pista green half sleeve shirt with beach pants and white sneakers. Next you can try tan polo t-shirt with white pants and brown loafers. Next you can try blue printed half sleeve shirt with grey pants and white sneakers. Next you can try lavender t-shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try white oversized t-shirt with grey jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try white half sleeve shirt with black pants and black sneakers. Next you can try green t-shirt with tan shorts and white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 oversized t-shirt outfit ideas.